NASA's Artemis program is one of the most ambitious space exploration initiatives of the 21st century, designed to return humans to the moon for the first time since the Apollo missions and establish a long-term presence that will prepare for future journeys to Mars. Named after Artemis, the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, the program symbolizes both a continuation of past achievements and a bold step into a new era of exploration. The Artemis program has three major phases. Artemis First, launched in November 2022, was an uncrewed mission that successfully tested the Space Launch System, SLS, rocket, and Orion spacecraft on a journey around the moon. This mission proved the system's ability to operate safely in deep space and paved the way for crewed missions. Artemis II, scheduled for the mid-2020s, will be the first crewed test flight, sending astronauts around the moon to evaluate life support systems and performance in real conditions. Artemis III, expected later in the decade, will land astronauts near the lunar South Pole, an area never before explored by humans. A key difference between Artemis and Apollo is sustainability. Instead of short visits, Artemis aims to create a permanent lunar presence. This includes the development of the Lunar Gateway, a small space station orbiting the moon that will serve as a hub for science, logistics, and crew transfers. It also involves partnerships with commercial companies to develop landers, rovers, and habitats that will allow astronauts to live and work on the lunar surface for extended periods. The lunar South Pole is a particularly exciting target. Scientists believe it contains water ice trapped in permanently shadowed craters, a resource that could be transformed into drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Harnessing these resources is central to Artemis's long-term vision of enabling sustainable human exploration beyond Earth. International collaboration is another cornerstone of Artemis. NASA is working with agencies like ESA, JAXA, and CSA to contribute technology, modules, and support. The program also introduced the Artemis Accords, a set of principles signed by numerous countries to ensure peaceful and cooperative exploration of space. This global framework highlights how Artemis is not just an American mission, but a shared step for humanity. Beyond the moon, Artemis serves as a stepping stone to Mars. By developing the technologies, systems, and operational experience required to live and work on another world, Artemis lays the foundation for eventual human missions to the Red Planet. It is part of NASA's broader vision of pushing deeper into the solar system and inspiring future generations to continue exploring. Artemis is more than a scientific and technological program. It represents inspiration, innovation, and the spirit of discovery. For the first time, astronauts will include women and people of color on lunar missions, reflecting the diversity of humanity. By returning to the moon with modern tools and global cooperation, Artemis reminds us that exploration is not just about reaching new places, but about unlocking opportunities for all.